Christmas celebration at St. Francis de Sales Church, Kopakerne, Navi Mumbai. Taking a cue from Pope Francis, we chose our theme as St. Joseph, Father in the Shadows. We, the youth of our parish, welcome you to our little crib tour. St. Joseph never saw an angel the way Mary did. St. Joseph dreamed of angels. He heard God when he slept. In our reflection of the infancy narratives through the Advent, we know there are 4 dreams of St. Joseph. He learns the miraculous nature of Mary's pregnancy and is told not to be afraid to take her as his wife. He is then warned to leave Bethlehem and flee to Egypt. While in Egypt, he learns that it is safe to return to Israel. Finally, he is again warned of dangers and travels to Galilee instead of going back to Judea.
Joseph does not speak a word. He is a man of action. We offer you 4 A's with only the certainty of a dream. He accepts God's plan and acts on what God tells him. He is attentive to the promptings of God and alters his plans to follow the mysterious design of God, whom he trusted completely. Joseph leads his small family across deserts and foreign lands to safety.
Dream 1. Accept. How tragic it would have been if Joseph had decided hastily and rashly, being guided only by appearances and not by God's instructions. Taking a cue from Joseph, may we be mindful of the sufferings and feelings of women who go through rough time, be it divorce, rape, assault, infertility, etc., and accept them instead of blaming them and isolating them from the society.
Dream 2. Act. Joseph showed patience and acted according to God's will. He is a perfect example and intercessor of quiet trust. The situation in Afghanistan due to the Taliban invasion was dire, forcing the people to flee for their life. Faced with this situation, the world leaders were inspired to act collectively to evacuate and ensure the safety of the people.
Dream 3. Attentive. Even as we prepare for Christmas, we are experiencing a time of great danger. Not just in terms of pandemic and its new strain. Our faith is challenged and the church is questioned. Are we attentive to instruction? God speaks us through the doctors, healthcare workers, government officials. Are we attentive? Will we cooperate and take the vaccine? Will we encourage those who are unwilling to take the vaccine?
Dream 4. Altar. The child Jesus was a refugee from Bethlehem to Egypt, from Egypt to Galilee, by foot or on donkey, and unsure of the next meal. Yet Joseph changed his plans and took the risk of sacrificing his own dream to follow the mysterious design of God, whom he trusted completely. Migrants must alter their plans every day. Can we see Jesus in them? Can we alter our own luxury and spare them something to eat or clothes to wear?
God speaks, perhaps speaks best when we are quiet and passive, when our busy conscious minds are slowed down or turned off completely. May Saint Joseph teach us the beauty of quiet, of listening, and let his quiet courage be an example to us all in these very challenging times. May he inspire us to be men and women of action, to accept God's plan and act on what God wants of us, to be constantly attentive to the promptings of God and alter our plans, trusting God who knows the future. I would like to thank you all for participating along with us, and I would also like to thank you all for coming forward and helping us in this crib making. It wouldn't have been possible without you guys. Thank you so much. Have a Merry Christmas.